Hi everyone, welcome to today's class on WordPress. Today we will see about WordPress, the basic details. So before knowing about WordPress, it is important that we should know about a common working of a website. So imagine a situation where we have a land. In the land we want to build a small house. For the house we will get an address. On that address, on the house, land, everything will be connected with the road. If any people want to reach your house, they are supposed to come through the road. So all these four components are connected with a simple web hosting, web development. So everything is involved here. So let us start with the land. So land is always compared with the hosting. Hosting means that's a server where we keep our websites and all the files in a place. That is our land. So in the land only we are going to build our house. So like that our website will be created in the land. That land will be the hosting, as I told you. The house is as per the users, the customer's choice. If they have a lot of money, they build a huge house. If they have small money, they build a small house. So for building a house, we use different technologies. For a technical term, we use HTML, JavaScript, CSS, Ajax, Python, database. Those are many things we use to develop our website. So that is based on our capacity, based on our financial strength. So like that we build our house. That is your creativity and everything is involved to develop a website. So the website is available in your land. So the hosting server we got. In the hosting server we keep all our files. In the files we have our websites. So to access our website we have an address. So example, if you take our college, we have shctpt.edu. That is our web address. So like that, if you build your house, you have separate address for your house, unique address. So no other house will have same address. So like that, in the internet, our website will be reachable through this IP address. This is called domain name. So this is going to be, we call as DNS system. We call because everything is grouped under IP address. Human cannot remember this IP address, so we convert into alphabets. As I told you, for our college we have, our college name is Sacred Heart College, so they short form it as SHC. So it is in Tirupattur, so TPT. As we are in the education institution, .edu. So there are different domains, as you know, .com, .org. Com is for commercial purpose, org for organization, .edu for education, .in for India, so .us for US country, United States. For UK we have .uk. So like that the domain names are varies. So what we are trying to know, what we are going to understand is, we have a land. In the land we build a website. That is our website. For the website we have an IP address. That IP address we call it as a domain name. To connect all this, so you build an house which is available. To reach our house, the road is available. So through the road you can go to market, you can go to any other shopping center, you can go to your school, you can go to college, you can go to home, anywhere you can go through the road. So the road is available all over the world, all over the city, all over your village. The road is compared with internet. So we need to understand the internet is available everywhere. So the road is also available everywhere. So the road is connecting to all the houses. Like that the internet service is connecting all our websites. So all these four components are very much important. So I will come again, once again. Web hosting is our server. We compare with the land. And we have a website, that is our house. Based on your capacity and everything, you can build your house. So like that, based on your technical knowledge or non-technical knowledge, you can build a website. So WordPress helps us to develop website. So we are going to learn this part here. The website is main important thing here. So we are going to develop website without any coding with the help of WordPress. So domain name we have to get as per our as per your address. We will get an IP address from different providers. So like our mobile service providers, we have Airtel, Vodafone, that is VI, BSNL. So there are many providers like that. There are providers for the hosting as well as there are providers for the domain name. Sometimes the domain name and web hosting will be provided by the same people. So like our mobile services, so monthly we recharge like 300 rupees, 500 rupees, 200 rupees, like that. You can also have a recharge, or you can have a monthly plan to get your hosting, to get your domain name. So domain name mostly they hold it for 1 year. So minimum you can pay at least 2,000 to 1,500 for any kind of domain name. Hosting also same. Per year you can pay minimum of 5,000 based on the technology which you are going to choose. I hope you can understand this concept. Maybe little it is going to be little confusing because there are 4 different components here. One is web hosting, website, domain name, internet. So everything is interconnected with one another. If you are able to connect your hosting with the website, and website with the domain name, and the domain name with the internet, you can understand very well. So you need to connect the 4 components with one another. I hope you are able to understand this. So now we move into the real concept of WordPress. So WordPress was started in the year 2003 as an online. It is open source, which means anyone can download, anyone can develop website, anyone can make a business out of this WordPress. So it comes under GPL, that is General Public License. So nobody can question you why you are developing using WordPress. You have to pay some amount to WordPress company. No, not like that. It is totally free software. You can download, you can create websites. So nobody will question you. That's called open source. And mainly it is used for CMS. We call it as a CMS, that is content management system. So like we have editing Word document, we have MS Word. So PowerPoint we edit for presentation. So like that, for editing our website, we have a technical term called CMS, that is content management system. So I'll tell you later what it is. So what is GPL? That is, I told you, that is General Public License. It's copyleft. Normally we have a word copyright, so you need to pay to people. This is copyleft, which means no need to pay to anyone else. You can use this software free of cost. You can copy, you can paste, you can develop, you can sell, you can make business. Nobody will question you. So now come here for a CMS. What is CMS? I told you that is content management system. So content we can see in our daily life. We use WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. So all these are daily social media we use. So in the social media we have image as one of the content, and we can see videos, that is one of the content, and sometimes we read text, that is websites we follow. We have text, and we also hear some audio. So all these are different types of contents, that is multimedia content. So image, text, audio, video. So like that, if you are developing a website, you can also add your images, you can add your text, you can add video, you can add audio. So you can add whatever content you like. You can add, you can delete, you can copy, you can paste. So all these type of activities we can do with the help of CMS. This CMS is common term. So WordPress comes under CMS software. So we have OS, that is Windows, Linux, Mac. All these are operating system. We call common name as operating system. Under the operating system we have Windows, Mac, Linux. So like the different kind of OSs. So like that, CMS is a common term. It comes as common term. Under the CMS, we have different types of CMS. So one of the best and famous CMS is WordPress. So you'll be learning about WordPress. So as I told you, there are different CMS tools available, more than 100 CMS tools. So top 3 only we are showing here. That is WordPress, one of the software, and another one is Joomla, another one is Drupal. You can search in the Google, you will come across WordPress as topmost tool, because it is very easy to install and easy to develop and easy to deploy. So whatever you want to do, you can do it within 10 minutes. You can install the software, you can develop the website, and you can directly give it to your client. Only thing you need to know how to download and how to install and how to configure different things. The person who invented or who created this is Matt Mullenweg, has been one of the world top 50 people, and there are team which they developed using different languages. Mainly it is used as PHP main background language to develop this WordPress. So WordPress, there are numbers is given: 80 million, 30,000, 10 million websites. There are many websites around the world are being developed using WordPress. There are top companies which are using this WordPress for their portfolio and for the business. They use this. For example, Yahoo, Mercedes-Benz, eBay, Ford, Samsung, Coca-Cola, Forbes, Mozilla Firefox, so CNN. So there are different many companies, they use this. Topmost companies, they use WordPress because they developed a website, they keep it. Whenever they want to update, they can easily update without any help from technical persons. As a company, non-technical person can easily change the content, manage the website. So as I told you, there are different reasons why choosing this WordPress. So first one is easy to use and install. Another one is it is scalable, means you can add multiple pages, not a single page. Example, 5 pages only you can add, 15 pages only you can add. So the limit is unlimited. So you can add many number of pages without any restrictions. That is called scalable. So it is free. One of the best reason why people use WordPress is it is free. As I told you, it is open source. So WordPress allows you to launch quickly. Another reason is quickly you can install and configure and develop a website. So it is easy to integrate with social media. That is, we use daily WordPress to develop kind of a social media linking: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So all these social medias you can easily connect. So 100% responsive. This is one of the best reason why people choose this WordPress is responsive. So sometimes people see their website in the mobile, sometimes they see in a desktop, sometimes they see in a laptop, sometimes they see in a projector. So different places the users may be viewing their website. So based on the target media, this WordPress will be adjust your website. That is called responsive. So if you are watching in the mobile, the website will be adapted to mobile. If you are watching it in your website in your big screen, the website will be adapted to the big screen size, example desktop screen. And if you are able to viewing in the tab, small tab, the website will be adjust. So all the design, links, images, all the media will be adjust according to the target media. That is the responsive and mobile friendly. So there are 2 flavors available. One is WordPress.com, another one is WordPress.org. So we will see what are the features are available. The WordPress.com, we easy setup, free web hosting, automatic upgrade, pre-selected plugins, no cost to get started. So WordPress.org, we normally use WordPress.org to download different plugins and themes, and sometimes we edit some codes, and sometimes we go for hosting our websites. So far we have seen the basic introduction about WordPress and how website is working, what are the components needed for website, and basic details about WordPress, who invented, which companies are using all these are. So next class we will see about how to install this WordPress in our system and config. Thank you.